Hello. Wikipedia's picture of the day, October 12, 2020. Today's video is about Götterdämmerung. Götterdämmerung, Twilight of the Gods, is the last in Richard Wagner's cycle of 4 music dramas entitled Der Ring des Nibelungen, The Ring of the Nibelung. It received its premiere at the Bayreuth Festspielhaus on the 17th of August 1876, as part of the first complete performance of the Ring cycle. The work's title originates from Norse mythology and refers to a prophesied war among various beings and gods that ultimately results in the burning, immersion in water, and renewal of the world. This painting is an 1894 reproduction of the final scene from Götterdämmerung, showing Valhalla in flames, by Max Brückner, one of the original set designers for the opera. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.